Hi, it's me again with CorelDRAW tips and tricks. This video has very little to do about CorelDRAW with the exception of using CorelDRAW to make this video. November 27th, 2014, 10 years ago today, I posted my first video. As of right now, I have 10,048 CorelDRAW videos. Also have some laser tips and some other videos on there. I think I'm at 11, like 10,100 on that total videos. So the number that's amazing. When I put my first one, I was extremely excited. And then I got to 500 and 10 years later, I'm at 10 over 10. So if you take 10 years divided times 365, you get 3650. 1,048 videos divided by that number of days is 2.75 of a video a day on average for 10 years. To date, I have 40,712 subscribers, and I have tomorrow I'll probably have 13.2 million views on that channel. About 80% of those videos come from you, come from people asking me questions. So I always share my email. I'll put a link to my email at the bottom of the video. The only thing I ask, if you send me a JPEG or a PDF, go ahead and save it. Even if it's a PDF, save it inside of a Corel file and then send me the Corel file. I learn a lot from your settings and maybe it can help you more. If I have a video already made on the same subject, I'll try to find that video and send it to you. If I don't, I'll make one of yours. I've never asked for a subscriber. I've never asked that you ring the bell, which I don't really understand. The only thing I do ask, and I asked for it last year when I did the same model at 9 years, if you like my video, give me a thumbs up. YouTube doesn't know about it. I'm the only one that knows about it. And it helps me decide, well, that was a good video. Because, I'll do a video that I don't think is that big a deal, and I'll get, 20% of the people give me a thumbs up. And then I'll have a video that I think is outstanding, and I won't have as many. So the more thumbs up I get, the more it helps me know if I'm doing well. I'm going to do a second video in here in just a minute about I don't know, really, I can't remember why this is called International Personalization Expo. It's just because it's internationally. It's the APA. This next year in 2025, it's February 4th through the 7th at the Horseshoe Hotel in Las Vegas. It's right next to the Paris. I'm doing a class this year, and when I make the second video, I'm going to put some links to some videos about the show, and I'm going to put a link how to become a member and what that entails, and also how you can get to the classes to see if it's worth going. I learned a lot of what I know from the classes at the APA, and rightfully so. I learned a lot from YouTube also, as you have if you watch some of my videos. But anyway, this is kind of like a show and tell for me. I'm extremely proud. I've dedicated 10 years of my life to make that many videos. There's days I only make one, but there's days I make 10. Yesterday I was helping one person, and before I could finish helping that person, I had 2 more emails of people asking questions. I think yesterday in the first 27 days of November, I've done like 8 videos a day on average, because it's a busy time of year with Christmas coming up. People want to know how to make ornaments and stuff. But anyway, I would normally say, hope that helped a little bit, but I'm going to say on this one, hope you don't mind me bragging a little bit. Thank you for watching.